Hey guys, so in this video I'll be walking you through on one strategy that can get you eyeballs to your business. If you're a person who owns a business and you're getting a few clients per month and you're trying to get more so that you can scale your business or see it grow. So the main thing I'll be telling you guys to focus on is developing a strategy to get more eyeballs to your business, and that will in turn bring clients and customers to your business. So what you simply have to do is two ways. This is going to cater for the offline person and is for the online person who owns a business, right? So with the online person, the main thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be focusing on building a presence on platforms like TikTok and also Instagram. When you go on these platforms, you're going to be starting a brand towards your business. So never forget, everything that we're doing, we're going to be tying it back to our business so that whenever people see us on these platforms, they'll be able to go and check out our business. And what we're going to be doing is finding topics that can help our potential clients. So we will be providing value to them for absolutely free, and then in return they are going to be giving us a follow. And whenever they follow us, this is a potential lead to your business. So later down the road, you'll be able to promote your business, and when you have a call to action telling people to check out your business in the bio or your description, if you're on YouTube or you're on TikTok or you're on Instagram, you're going to have your own specific audience that is interested in your business, but they are going to become your audience because you'll be providing them free value at first. And whenever you get clients to follow you, those guys will be on your list, and that's going to be your list of potential buyers, right? So that's what you're going to be doing. So to recap everything, the main thing that you're going to be doing is picking a platform, and then on that platform you're going to be focusing on developing yourself an audience which is going to be interested in your business, and then they are going to be on your list of potential buyers down the road, right? So that's what you're going to be doing. Find a platform, create content for that platform, helping your potential clients for absolutely free. They sign up or they become subscribers or followers to your platform. Then later on, you'll be able to share information that they can find in your business, and they'll be able to buy from you because they know of you guys. Like I always tell you, develop a relationship with your customers so that when you offer something premium for them, they know you're always going to look out for them and you're not going to share something that is not going to be valuable to them. So that's how you get people to check out your business more. So if you like content like this, guys, feel free to leave a like and also follow for more, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I hope this was valuable, guys.